whoever wants to share their thoughts on this, just raise your hands. Have you been a victim of lies, and were you able to forgive the person who lied to you? And what good did it do to you after that?
Parang for me, honestly, I'm the type of person who does not like to set people up for failure. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like, yeah, so parang if I know that the person's already like, a little bit sketchy or a little bit questionable, I already, go ahead of it. And I don't like to set that person up for failure. There's some people who huliin mo pa eh. Diba? Or sometimes like they'll wait pa for this person to get mad. For me, I like to avoid that situation and just like, not even give a person an opportunity to make a mistake with me. I just walk away.
And if that happens, does it deserve forgiveness?
I think everyone deserves forgiveness. I think forgiving, like I said this in my interviews in the past, that forgiving is not difficult for me. What's difficult is to forget. But forgiving for me, I mean, honestly, like for me, I don't like to live a life of like hate. I don't like to have a lot of baggage. As you can see, my roles have so much baggage already. So you don't want to have that in real life. Diba? So for me, forgiving is not really difficult to do. But of course, what's left behind are the memories, which is fun to forget.
Thank you for that, Jake. Madami ng baggage, wag na natin dagdagan pa. Tama yan.
You're gonna see a lot of baggage on the 17th, guys. What Lies Beneath Netflix? Check it out.
Yes, at in-unload na yan ni Jake Cuenca. Does anyone want to weigh in on that question, or are we good? We're good. Okay, the next question goes to Kyla from Janice Navida, once again from Bulgar. From your challenging role in Incognito, how challenging is your new role in this series, and how do you feel when your mom Janice says that you're a better actress than her?
She said that? Wow, thanks, Mom. I disagree. Well, I'll answer that first. I disagree. I feel like, as my parents, gusto lang din nila ipagmalaki ang mga anak nila, di ba? But we all know my mom is a living legend. I look up to her in all the aspects of my life, not just her as an artista. And having said that, nandito rin ako para ipagmalaki siya. And I'm so proud to be her daughter, and I'm so proud of what she has achieved in the industry, and I can only wish to achieve half of that, So yeah, thanks, Mom. In terms of challenge, I think I was able to answer that kanina, but just to say it again, for me the challenge here with Erica's character is really the restraint, is really to sort of pick my battles and when I'm going to be more emotional or show vulnerability. Like Direk Dad and Direk Fry, alam nila yan. Once na nakita nila akong umiiyak, pinapapunas talaga nila sa akin yung luha ko. Okay, uulitin natin, huwag kang iiyak. Kasi ginagano nila ako. So, I feel like yun yung isa sa challenges ko dito, which, I'm always up for a challenge, and I'm happy to experience it, especially with Direk Dado and Direk Froy, who were, by the way, my first ever directors. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank RCD Narratives, kasi RCD Narratives was the first production that took a chance on me, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for them. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Now we have a question for our writers, once again, Ara and Benson, from Carl Jude Canonoy of Kapatid Insider. Maraming teleserye ang tungkol sa pag-ibig at pamilya na ang umere. Pero ano ang kakaiba sa kwento ng What Lies Beneath na dapat abangan namin as viewers?
Well, it's not a romance.
It's a romance for me, I mean. It's a romance for me, so okay?
So it's not a
bloody romance.
Yeah, and yun nga, siguro pinaka-masasabi ng iba is, the main characters are all great characters. So they're not perfect. Like I said kanina, they make mistakes, and we see them being very human in so many instances in the show. And so I think that would make them relatable also. So yun naman yung kakaiba.
Thank you for that, Ms. Ara. How about you, Sir Benson?
Love love and family. It's not just about love and family. It also shows the lies that we tell people to protect the people that we love. At hanggang saan ang pwede nating gawin or push para protektahan ang lie na yun. Para protektahan yung mga tao minamahal natin. Hanggang sa dumating sa point na boomerang yung lie na yun. Anyway, it's a very complicated cycle ng lie, ng secrets. Yung what lies beneath, para siyang salamin. Pag tumitingin ka sa salamin, you are forced to look at the uncomfortable truths about your family, friends, sarili mo. So, yun din sana yung push ng what lies beneath. Kahit sa family, sa kahit anong relationship, makita mo yung truths ngayon, even the ugly ones.
Thank you so much, Sir Benson. Now we throw the question to Direk Gado and Direk Froy from Carl June Canonoy of Kapatid Insider. From you guys naman, ano ang dapat abangan ng mga manonood sa mga unang linggo ng serye?
Actually, marami. Unang-una, hindi lang ito kumbaga parang simpleng drama or simpleng serye. Ano rin to, parang it's a suspense thriller siya. So, may pagka-creepy, yung mga characters plot, yung mga characters, and parang maraming issues din na tinatakot itong series na ito, na actually sumasalamin sa nangyayari sa lipunan ngayon. And yun.
Direk Froy?
Siguro syempre, this show is very different dun sa tone ng meron ang ABS sa prime time ngayon. Syempre, mas more on yun, eto para siyang isang malaking pasabog na may pagka-slow burn siya na ma-unravel yung mga sikreto, unti-unti. Yung aabangan mo kung ano yung susunod na mangyayari, syempre, pero yun, sa dami ng nangyayari sa kanila, ng mga characters, aabangan mo kung paano sila matatahi. Kung paano nila ma-figure out kung ano yung mga lies na yun. Mas yun kasi syempre, when you're close to each other, sa totoong buhay, mas mahirap malaman kung ano yung totoo. Kaysa dun sa mas hindi mo kilala, mas dun mo nalalaman yung sikreto. Yung kakilala mo, mahihirapan ka para na malaman kung ano talaga yung totoong tinatago mo.
Parang kinabahan naman ako doon, Direk. Napareflect ako. Pero since we are already talking to the directors, I would like to extend the question already. It's from Chad Manila Feed. What Lies Beneath seems to explore secrets, truth, and deception. What message do you think the show wants to convey? And what drew you to the story of What Lies Beneath? Direk Gado, you wanna start off?
Siguro yung message na gusto i-convey ng show that it's really lalo sa panahon ngayon na talamak yung nangyayaring injustice, talamak ang fake news, ang kasinungalingan, yung minsan naniniwala tayo sa sariling kasinungalingan natin. At because of that, yung consequence na haharapin mo, it destroys life, it destroys even the society. So, yun ang gustong, I think, first and foremost, yun ang gustong itackle ng show. It's really about search for truth and justice. And also, it also tackles, di ba, how an incident in the past destroyed yung relationship ng magkakaibigan. Parang gaano man katindi yung pagkakaibigan nyo, pag sinubok ka ng ganoong napakalaking pangyayari, somehow maepekto yon hindi lang sa buhay ninyo, kundi pati sa relationship ninyo bilang magkakaibigan.
Thank you, Direk Dado. How about you, Direk Roy? Do you want to add to that?
Yes. Yun. Siyempre, tinatawag nga dito is injustice, di ba? Kumbaga, all of us in real life, we are experiencing injustices, lalo na sa nangyayari sa bansa natin ngayon. Yun, yung mga character sila are parang it seems very hard to na makakuha ng hustisya, lalo na kung sinachase mo ito. Pero, paano makukuha ng hustisya kung pababayaan mo rin, di ba? Will you just be quiet? Will you just let the injustice happen, di ba? Ano yung gagawin mo, di ba? Will you speak out for truth? Or will you speak out, or will you just be quiet and hayaan mo na lang yan hanggang sa maraming tao na yung maapektuhan?
Thank you, Direk Roy. And I think that's the perfect ender for our Q&A portion from our friends from the media. Thank you so much for your questions here tonight and for staying throughout the whole duration of our media launch. So to the cast, please invite everyone to watch What Lies Beneath. Let's start with Ray.
Ito na ang sikreto ang aming itinatago, What Lies Beneath, malapit na nating mapanood.
Ayan, at bago niyo po mapanood ang What Lies Beneath, gusto namin kayong imbitahan on October 15, 7 p.m. October 15, 6 p.m. sa SM North and sa Cinema 7 para sa aming What Lies Beneath Celebrity Review.
And please, samahan niyo kaming makisaya sa Mascara Festival Kapamilya Caravan this weekend.
Okay.
Magkita-kita tayo sa Bacolod, kasama ko po si Jameson Drake and si Jake Cuenca.
Yes.
See you there, mga kapamilya.
Yes, ngayong Sabado po yan, October 18, 5 p.m. Ayala Malls, Capital Central, Bacolod po. Magkita-kita tayo, kapamilya.
Again, it's finally time. Unti-unti na po mabubunyag ang katotohanan.
Catch What Lies Beneath streaming on Netflix on October 17 and it streams on iWant on October 18.
Ayan, also you can watch us on Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, A2C, and TV5 starting October 20.
Yes, and kung gusto nyong mauna sa balita, follow RCD Narratives on all social media platforms.
Alright, so there you have it. What Lies Beneath, starting October 20. Now, before this special media launch